duty to gratefully acknowledge the indefatigable endeavors of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the architect of the Indian Constitution. Besides acknowledging his endeavors, we ought to remember gratefully the ceaseless efforts of all the leaders of Bharat, also all the members of the Constituent Assembly of the yesteryears. As a result of their selfless sacrifice, ceaseless struggle, Bharat became a sovereign, socialist, secular and a democratic republic. And this moment is a moment of great pride. All of us will be observing the Republic Day with great fervor. Dear STCians, warm and sincere Republic Day greetings to all of you. Long live the Republic. Now, I request today's guest, Dr. Ravi Kumar, Director of PG Studies, SDC College, and Professor Satyajit Ray, Vice Principal of SDC Degree College, to hoist the flag. After this, there is going to be National Salute, National Anthem, and Vande Mataram. All of you are requested to observe it with due respect. Now I request Mr. Subramani, Director, Physical Education Department, to oversee this ceremony. Please, sirs.
Attention!
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
ये बोला भारत माता के
This year's theme is, the theme of this year's Republic Day is 150 years of Vande Mataram, and now let us observe Vande Mataram with great fervor.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shasya Shamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram. शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं फुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदल शोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुर भाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
Dear audience, may I now request Dr. Ravi Kumar, Director PG Studies, STC College, to pay a floral tribute to the portrait of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Also, I request Professor Satyajit Roy, Vice Principal, to join the Director. And also, I request the heads of various departments and coordinators to join our Director and Vice Principal to pay a floral tribute to the portrait of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It's a humble request to the heads of the department and coordinators to join. Please, sir. Yes, from the PU College, Mr. Muniratnam, and yes, all heads of the department, Department of Kannada, Department of English.
मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आप भी भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनके जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
Respected faculty members and the non-teaching staff who are all present here. It is a very happy occasion. Being an Indians, it's a very proud that everyone has to celebrate these national festivals. And Republic Day is one peculiar situation here is not many people aware that 26th of January why we are celebrating the Republic Day. Actually, Constitution was ready. We know that November 26th only Constitution was ready, but still we have waited till January 26th and declared this as a Republic Day. The historical reason behind this is actually every year from 1927, Indian National Congress has declared January 26th as an Independence Day. So from 1927, every year Congress Party, National Congress Party was celebrating 26th of January as an Independence Day. But independence has come to us on the 15th of August 1947. So in order to retain the historical importance of January 26th, all the leaders wanted to know the future generations that the significance of 26th January, they waited till 26th of January to declare this as a Republic Day. So this is the importance of January 26th. So to maintain the significance of this day, they have declared the Republic Day. So this is the day in which the Constitution has come into the full effect. So this is what we have to remember, and then the Constitution is one of the main law, what we call as the mother of all the laws in India. Because of this Constitution only, we are able to survive, and it has been one of the most, what we can say, dynamic constitutions in the world, which incorporate all the changes and goes with the thoughts of the people. So on this day, I thank one and all the staff members, non-teaching and teaching who are present here for the celebration of the Republic Day. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Dr. Ravi Kumar. Thank you for your address. Now I request Professor Satyajit Roy, Vice Principal, to address all of us. Please, sir.
Respected Director Sir, my dear degree and PU faculties and non-teaching staff and all other presenters here. It's my immense pleasure to be part of this day, which is pride for any Indian. And our great Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who has made this Indian Constitution, which is the representation, emblem of integrity, fraternity, unity. Unfortunately, in our country, we are lacking in that. In our country, racism is there, casteism is there, politics is there, which we should abolish from the root. See, when a match will be played, a cricket match, I have to take one example of cricket match. Recently, Indian team is playing cricket with New Zealand, where our team will go to different states, where the audience will be in blue. They are called men in blue. And you cannot identify they are from which caste, which community. Can you identify? I don't think so. They are all wholeheartedly support our team. And irrespective of the state, caste, credence. This spirit we should inculcate in ourselves and we should spread to our students. Then one nation will be built where all these things will not be there. We can focus on our nation development. Our Indian Constitution, it is, as Guru Granth Sahib said, it is the symbol of our Indian democracy. And we are independent here. Here different caste, credence, different communities are there. But they have the freedom that they can stay here, they are the responsible citizen of our country and they can involve in the social activities. So my humble request that this patriotism and our responsibilities cannot be only in the border and in offices. It is to be started from the classroom and our communities, because we are the lecturers, we are the teachers. If we instill discipline, integrity, the moral value, the ethics, the honesty, and main thing is unity to our students, then they'll build a new nation where all this racism, politics, selfishness, casteism will not be there. Then our great B.R. Ambedkar's dream is going to become true. So let us take a new reunion oath pledge for the new nation which will be politics free, which will be united, integrated. With this, let me finish my speech. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I request Professor Edali Srinivas to sing a song. Please, sir.
Ready.
ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು. ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು. ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಿರಿಮೆಯ ಮಗನಾಗು, ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿಯ ಸಿರಿಯಾಗು. ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು. ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ ದೇಶದ ಬಡವರ ಕಂಬನಿ ಒರೆಸುವ ನಾಯಕ ನೀನಾಗು. ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಬಡವರ ಕಂಬನಿ ಒರೆಸುವ ನಾಯಕ ನೀನಾಗು. ಭಾರತೀಯರ ವಿಶ್ವ ಪ್ರೇಮವ ಮೆರೆಸುವ ಜ್ಞಾನಿ ನೀನಾಗು. ಭಾರತೀಯರ ಭವ್ಯ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವ ಬೆಳಗುವ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ನೀನಾಗು. ಬೆಳಗುವ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ನೀನಾಗು. ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು. ಭೂಮಂಡಲದ ಹಾಹಾಕಾರವ ನೀಗುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯು ನೀನಾಗು. ಭೂಮಂಡಲದ ಹಾಹಾಕಾರವ ನೀಗುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯು ನೀನಾಗು. ಮಾರಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ದೂರಗೈಯುವ ವೀರ ಶಿರೋಮಣಿ ನೀನಾಗು. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡವನೇ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಕಾಣುವ ಯೋಗಿಯು ನೀನಾಗು. ಕಾಣುವ ಯೋಗಿಯು ನೀನಾಗು. ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು. ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಿರಿಮೆಯ ಮಗನಾಗು. ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿಯ ಸಿರಿಯಾಗು. ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು.
Professor Edhalli Srinivas, thank you very much for your meaningful and melodious song. In my opinion, this song reflects the personality of the architect of Indian Constitution, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Thank you very much for your song. Now we will be culminating this program with a vote of thanks. I express my sincere thanks to Dr. Ravi Kumar, Director, PG Studies, STC College, for being present with us. Also, I thank Professor Satyajit Roy, Vice Principal of STC Degree College, for being with us on this occasion. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Big thanks to all the heads of the departments and coordinators for being with us, and all the faculty members for observing this Republic Day celebration with great fervor and great gusto. To the support staff, a big thanks to all of you for helping organize this Republic Day celebration. Thank you very much.